In 2017, I was sitting in my cubicle at an investment bank when I typed those 4 dangerous words into Google: how to make money online. 7 years and thousands of dollars later, I've tried it all: dropshipping, crypto, trading, blogging, AI copywriting, and failed at every single one. But here's the twist. Those failures might be the most valuable thing that's ever happened to me. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what went wrong, the lessons I've learned, and the one thing nobody tells you about succeeding online. Before we dive in, let me make you a promise. By the end of this video, you'll understand the hidden pattern behind every online business success story. A pattern I only discovered after years of painful failures. This isn't another get-rich-quick fantasy. This is the raw, unfiltered truth about what it really takes. If you're watching this right now, you're probably in one of 2 situations. Either you're thinking about starting an online business, or you're already struggling with one. Either way, you're about to save yourself years of frustration and thousands of dollars. But first, let me take you back to where it all began. It was 2017, and I was about to get married. Like most people facing a major life change, I was stressed about money. My banking job paid well, but not well enough. I needed more. So I did what anyone would do. I asked Google, and down the rabbit hole I went. Dropshipping seemed like the perfect solution. Low startup costs, no inventory, and stories of people making thousands in their first month. I devoured every YouTube tutorial I could find. I launched not 1 but 2 businesses simultaneously, a dropshipping store and a print-on-demand shop on Teespring. I was convinced I'd struck gold. Reality hit fast. First, my Facebook ad account got suspended for using Batman imagery without permission. Then came logistics nightmares, payment processing issues, customer service headaches. It was like trying to build a house while the blueprint kept changing. After weeks of stress and 0 sales, I gave up. The wedding happened, life moved on, and my entrepreneurial dreams were put on hold. But not for long. Fast forward to 2021, the entrepreneurial flame rekindled. This time, I had a unique product from my home country that I knew international customers would love. I went all in. Professional packaging, international warehousing, Instagram influencer campaigns. I did everything right according to the YouTube playbook. 3 months later, 0 sales. Just a mountain of expenses and a depleted bank account. But I wasn't done. Next came a baby clothing store, another failure. Then trading. 11 months of studying charts, taking prop firm challenges, watching gurus explain foolproof strategies. Nothing worked. Blogging was next. Thousands of articles. Daily social media posts, SEO optimization, backlink building. All the strategies the experts swore by, the result, crickets. Crypto, invested in 2017, 2021, and 2024. I became an expert in white papers and tokenomics. My portfolio still tanked, even jumped on the AI bandwagon as a copywriter. But when clients realized they could just use ChatGPT themselves, well, you can guess what happened. One night, after another failed venture, I had a realization that changed everything. I started writing down the timeline of every business I'd attempted. And there it was, the pattern hidden in plain sight. It wasn't that these business models didn't work, it was that I never gave any of them enough time to work. While I was jumping from dropshipping to trading to blogging, people who started dropshipping the same time as me in 2017 and stuck with it, they're millionaires now. The bloggers who kept posting when their traffic was flat, they're full-time content creators today. The traders who stayed disciplined through losing streaks, they're managing 7-figure portfolios. The common denominator in all my failures wasn't the business model. It was me. Here are the painful lessons I've learned that nobody on YouTube will tell you. First, most YouTube gurus are selling you something. That doesn't make them scammers. They deserve to monetize their content. but it does mean you need to verify everything from multiple sources before investing your time and money. Second, the shiny object syndrome is the silent killer of entrepreneurial dreams. When you jump from business to business, you reset your learning curve every single time. Third, success isn't linear. It looks more like this. Work, 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 no results. Work, 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 still nothing. But all that time, you're building expertise, connections, and systems that will eventually compound. And finally, the most important metric isn't revenue or followers or engagement, it's consistency. How many days in a row can you show up when the results aren't there yet? The solution isn't sexy. It isn't a hack or a secret strategy. It's simply this. Choose one path that aligns with your skills and interests, then commit to it for a minimum of 18 to 24 months before even considering a pivot. Remember that promise I made at the beginning about revealing the hidden pattern behind every online success story? Here it is in its simplest form. After 7 years of trial and error, thousands of hours of YouTube tutorials, and more money than I care to admit, this is what I've learned. Now I'm turning the tables. After being a YouTube consumer for years, I'm becoming a creator. Not to sell you get-rich-quick dreams, but to share the real, unfiltered journey of building something sustainable online. If you found value in this, hit subscribe and that notification bell. In my next video, I'll break down exactly how I'm applying these lessons to build my current business the right way. Leave a comment below with the biggest lesson you've learned from your own online journey. I read and respond to every comment. Remember, the path to success isn't about finding the perfect business model. It's about becoming the kind of person who persists long enough to make any business model work.